The Monkey and the Sun. One summer afternoon, it grew unbearably hot in the jungle. A monkey got very annoyed with the sun. He was continuously sweating. When he couldn't bear it any longer, he jumped off the tree and started yelling at the sun. "You foolish sun," the monkey said. "Can't you see that you are roasting us alive?" The sun had never been yelled at, especially by a monkey. He got very offended. After all, he was doing his job. So he hid behind the rain clouds and began to sulk. It started raining. The sun continued to suck. It continued rain for weeks. Soon, the whole jungle became muddy and squeezy. There was no sun to dry the water. Slowly, the animals started falling sick. It was then the monkey realized his foolishness. "I am sorry, dear son," the monkey apologized uncomfortably. "Please forgive me." The sun began to shine again. Happy days were back. Moral lessons. Everyone is equally important.